But you know something? Problems are really not problems. Problems are also opportunities. Why? Because if change is happening, it's not happening against you particularly. It's happening to the whole country. It's happening to your industry, which means the first one that will know how to handle change faster and better wins the war. And your competition is left behind. You will go forward. I'll give you an example. I'm now in Mexico, and the business community here is very much worried about the new president called AMLO, because he has these socialistic tendencies. Some of them worry that maybe it's going to become Venezuela, and they're paralyzed. And I tell them, don't. By the way, I have a book about it, small brochure called How to Manage in Time of Crisis. Strongly recommend you look into it. No, don't do that. This is your best time now. Why? Because when everybody else is paralyzed, you move forward. And what does it move forward? Not in the marketplace, in cleaning up the house. Cleaning up your organization structure, reward systems, information systems, supply chain, reward systems, things you did not have time before as you were running, as you were trying to conquer the market. Now, leave the outside alone. Look at the inside. Because, hear me well, no company should grow like this. Because if you grow like this, eventually it will fall. Why? Because building a company is like building a high rise. You build a building with 3 floors. Now the market is very good. You add the 4th and the 5th and the 6th floor. What's going to happen? It's going to collapse. Why? Because the foundations are for 3 floors. So what do you need to do? Grow, 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 grow. Stop. Fix the inside. Fix the foundations. What does it mean? Do we have the right mission? Do we have the right strategy? Do we have the right structure to deliver the strategy? Do we have the right information that tells us how the strategy is working? Do we have the right reward system? Do we have the right people? Do we have the right training? Fix it. Now the foundation is stronger. Go up again. Foundation is stronger. Go up again. That's how Stuart Resnick built the $4 billion company from 12 million. Look at my website. I'm not selling you goodies. So, whoever is focusing not only on the outside, but also on the inside, will win the war. Then you will have sustainable growth.